Hey guys, so today I want some strawberry champagne cake. So I stopped by Freeport Bakery, you guys, and I'm getting me some strawberry champagne cake. If you haven't been to this bakery, go and check them out because their cake is so delicious. And my favorite cake there is the strawberry champagne cake. It's so delicious, you guys. So if you're in town in Sacramento, go by Freeport Bakery and check out their bakeries. Everything there is good. So pretty much everything there is good. So if you're in town, check them out, you guys. It's a small little Freeport Bakery. It's called Freeport Bakery. It's a little small shop and it's so delicious. And that's the prices on the drinks right there. All right. And it's just a little small bakery and it's so delicious. And that's what I got. Strawberry champagne cake. Okay, Freeport Bakery. Don't forget to check them out, you guys, if you're in town, okay? All right, so now we're gonna go clean this car, girl, because it's dirty. So I'm gonna clean my car, just spray it off. Most of the time I just come to this one car wash place where I'll just hand spray it off because I'm afraid to go through the electronic machine wash thing. I don't know why, I'm just afraid to go through those things. I panic every time I go through the drive-through wash. My heart pounds really fast, so I would rather just wash my own car. Just spray it off and with the hot wax water if it's not that dirty, and then I'll just dry it off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna eat my strawberry champagne cake from Freeport Bakery, you guys. So that's it. Have a nice day, you guys. See ya.